Guest drops Apple Watch on Disney World ride, claims $40,000 in fraudulent. You know how quickly you can spend 40 G's at Disney World? All you need is like 7 bottles of water. You're done.
Yeah, there you
go. The markup on these type of places, Mo.
Yeah.
You're like, how much is the popcorn? 27. What?
Yeah, people still go. People still spend the money.
What? But it's not a thing. You know how they can do it. It's not a thing you budget for, and then you're there.
Exactly.
And you're in, and you didn't bring anything. Mm-hmm. And you're like, you bought the plane ticket, you got the hotel, whatever you got.
Right. You
budget for it. And you get in there and you're like, oh, God, this is the part to budget for.
Exactly.
The kid picks up the stuffed animal, $112.
There you go. Gone like that.
And you're trying to have a good time. You didn't come there to spend nothing.
Uh-huh.
You got the funnel cake. You ever seen the funnel cake?
Love the funnel cake.
Yeah, it's $34. Where do you draw the line when you're there? It's a funnel cake. You're trying to be romantic. You're using your S Pen. You're using your S Pen. Yeah. Where are you going to draw the line? Where are you going to say to your date? When are you going to say, no, it's too much, I'm out?
No, I don't.
You don't, do you?
No.
You don't. You pay.
I pay. I'm out 40 grand by the end of it, too.
You see and you pay.
And then I got to drop my iWatch or Apple Watch.
Shout out 40 Fire. Let's see here. While riding the seas with Nemo and friends in Epcot last month, the woman was fidgeting with her Hermes Apple Watch.
Oh my God.
Cha-ching! The person who found that is like, let's go.
Yeah.
The ride is generally slow and, well, in an elevated position. The watch came off of her wrist. Unfortunately for her, this is quite an expensive device. Well, yeah, we know that. That's $1,300 on its own. As the watch fell off the ride, it dropped onto a pathway below. She could see her watch nearby. However, it was just a tad too far out of reach. Violating safety protocols, her husband jumped off the moving ride trying to retrieve it. It's my Hermes Apple Watch.
Holy moly.
I'm going to need that.
Yeah, it's not worth your life.
A cast member stopped the ride to remind the couple that's not allowed and assured them that Disney would return the watch to their hotel. Disney couldn't find her Apple Watch. According to the sheriff's report, the woman had several credit cards linked to her watch, including an American Express with an unlimited credit line. When returning to Disney's Contemporary Resort, she was told by cast members that they did not have her Apple Watch. However, someone had it, as she later found a series of fraudulent alerts. She had several fraud alerts throughout the course of the day. On her Amex, according to the victim, there was approximately 40 grand. Said the report. The woman did shut down her credit card and Apple Pay, but we don't know the timeline of when she did. Wouldn't the credit card company just back that up?
Yeah.
You know? Oh, look at this. 9 to 5 Mac is suspicious.
I didn't know they do that. They write their little take at the bottom. They have their take.
I wonder if they can just use Find My, right? Just find that watch real quick.
9 to 5 Mac is suspicious. No, I'm suspicious too, because if you guys ever had your credit card number compromised or no?
I haven't, luckily.
Well, maybe you have a friend or I don't know.
Yeah.
They shut that thing down. They call you up quick. Mm-hmm. They call you up. All of a sudden, 40 grand in a day?
Mm-hmm.
No,
I've had the call, suspicious activity.
There you go. But it was you?
Yeah.
But see, it was you.
Yeah.
They just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So, 9 to 5 Mac is by writing the word suspicious is essentially saying that this couple spent the 40 G's and then said they didn't.
Right.
Well, 9 to 5 Mac said it. I didn't say it, Mo. They said the word suspicious. Yeah. The entire situation feels a bit suspicious. I have worked, look at this, inside scoop. I have worked on a ride in Epcot at Disney before, and if a guest lost a non-essential item like an Apple Watch, we'd leave the item where it's at and ask them to retrieve it at the end of the day. Where could the watch have gone? Well, I mean, I don't know what that means. You could steal it still. Like, one of the employees didn't have to be you, Mr. 9 to 5. Mm-hmm. Shout out Brandon. This is the guy, he's going Texas to Colorado and made it back to Texas, all because of this show.
Wow.
Imagine that. Imagine you could make it all the way to Texas because of this show.
And then back.
Incredible stuff right there. So I keep telling Will, he's always trying to speed me up. I say, the guy's got to get to Texas.
You're already at like 100 miles per hour.
He needs company to get, I'm trying to speed it up for him. Because he's just driving along in the traffic and whatnot. He puts the adaptive cruise control on. And then I make it seem like it's going faster than it is.